My name is Pancho Magno at ako dito si Henry, isa akong police officer na kailangan kong huntingin si James and si David. Well, si James galing siya sa isang family which is ang number one nila is farming. So, dun tumatakbo yung buhay kung gaano kahirap ang pinagdadaanan ng mga farmers. So, sila nakakuha ng means nila for everyday life. And then, syempre, as a farmer, may mga time na talagang nahihirapan ka kumuha ng money. So, may mga gagawin ka na, syempre, alam mo na minsan mali, pero dahil kailangan mo talaga ng money, magagawa mo yun. So, ako sa police officer, kailangan ko silang huntingin because they did something na, syempre, sa law. And, yeah, and then the movie's about sa agriculture natin, of course, and it's more about family, love for your family, love for your job, love for someone, and rotate siya may action, may thriller, may drama, so suspense. So sana supportahan niyo po. So July 13 13 to 19 sa SM North EDSA and then SM Mega Mall. So please support. Ito na rin ng showing love for our agricultural industry and knowing us Philippines, a tropical country, yung talagang number one na kailangan natin magpataas. Thank you.